Transform your ordinary portraits into extraordinary works of art with the magic of Leonardo AI's special effects. Let's dive straight into creating something amazing first. You'll need to navigate to the Portrait Generation section within Leonardo AI. This is where the creative magic begins. Start by crafting a detailed prompt for your desired portrait, be as descriptive as possible, mentioning features, mood, and even the desired artistic style. Now, let's explore the Filters section here. You'll find a curated selection of artistic styles that can instantly imbue your portrait with a specific mood. Experiment with different filters to see how they alter the overall aesthetic. Next, we'll fine-tune the mood with lighting adjustments. This is your chance to control the drama play with sliders for brightness, contrast, and even subtle color temperature shifts to create a captivating glow or a more intense, shadowy look. For that extra touch of unique flair, delve into the artistic enhancements. These are powerful tools that add stylized elements like glowing effects, painterly textures, or even subtle motion blurs to make your portrait truly stand out. See the difference? By combining these filters, lighting adjustments, and artistic enhancements, you can elevate any portrait into a visually striking masterpiece. The possibilities are endless, so keep experimenting and find your signature style.